My name is Shu and you're watching our school holiday special. Today, I'm at the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, also known as the SPCA. The SPCA is a champion for animal welfare and they rescue over 200 animals every month, including animals that are abandoned, sick, injured or lost. Let's go inside and check the place out. Did you know SPCA runs various animal welfare services, including a 24-hour emergency rescue service and Singapore's only community animal clinic? Let's find out more from Diba, who works at SPCA.
Hello, I'm Diba, an Education Executive at the SPCA. Here at the SPCA, we run various animal welfare services, including our very own shelter where we take in all domestic mammals that you can adopt as pets. This includes dogs, cats, rabbits, guinea pigs and hamsters. At our shelter, we provide all our animals lots of love, time, patience and commitment. Today, I'll be sharing with you how you can approach dogs and cats featuring our very own shelter animals. When you see a dog, how can you tell if it's okay to approach it? First, look at its body language. He is relaxed without any tension in his body. His eyes are soft and seeking eye contact. His tail is wagging and in a comfortable position. If the dog shows that it is comfortable to be approached, bring yourself down to its level by either kneeling or sitting on the ground. Allow the dog to move towards you. Then use the back of your hand to gently pat their shoulders, chest, or under their chin. Avoid reaching out to their head immediately as this could be very intimidating for them. Remember, not all dogs like to be petted. Some of the dogs are under-socialized or could be very terrified of humans. Fun fact, a dog has a superb sense of smell, at least 40 times better than ours. A dog can even smell you sweat if you're feeling nervous. Some cats are confident, but others may be nervous or shy. You should always invite a cat into your space instead of moving into theirs. Extend your hand, knuckles first, for it to sniff and get used to your scent. She has a relaxed posture and a facial expression. Her ears are pointed forward. If the cat appears comfortable, you can pet their head or neck. If the cat backs away when you offer your hand, leave it alone as it does not wish to interact with you. Fun fact, cats usually purr when they are happy. However, cats also purr when they are stressed. To observe a cat's mood, it is important not only to listen to their purr, but to also observe their body language.
Toys are another way to interact with cats. Let's head back to the library for a craft activity. Follow me! Today, we are going to make a DIY cat toy. If you don't have a cat, you can also do this activity to make some fun decorations like these. All you need are materials that you can find around the house. You will need a pen, a ruler, scissors, a penknife, a piece of cardboard, empty kitchen towel rolls, scraps of cloth, or an old t-shirt. Remember to ask an adult for help when working with sharp tools. First, cut a 1 cm segment of the kitchen towel roll to get a cardboard ring. You can also use the rings from plastic bottle caps. Next, measure and cut your cloth into 15 cm by 2 cm strips. I'll measure out 15 cm by 2 cm on a piece of cardboard so I can place it on the cloth and cut it quickly. Your measurements don't have to be exact. You will need about 30 pieces of these. Now, take each strip and tie them on the cardboard ring. You can tie it twice to strengthen the knot. Repeat this for the next piece of cloth. Continue tying until the entire ring is covered. Ta-da! Here's your finished toy. You can also use this method with other materials and colors. You can even add bits and bobs from around the house. But remember, only give toys made of cloth to your pet. Here are some other decorative flower pieces made from plastic bags. To learn more about animals and how to care for them, pick up these non-fiction books at our public libraries. Books about pet care can usually be found under the call number J636. Thank you, Diba and SPCA Singapore. Bye!